Welcome back to Inebriated. I'm Bree.
And I'm Lee. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Gastonia Special with a little extra twist on it.
Let's get inebriated. All right, that's how you make the Gastonia Special. Sun Drop, what a classic Gastonia staple. Yeah. It's a great drink. I love the citrus in it, especially the expressed grapefruit. Yes. It really gives it that great aroma when you first sip it. Lee has the cherry flavored Sun Drop, and I just have the regular. They taste a little different.
For sure.
But they're both really, really good. So why don't you tell us about the drink?
Yeah, so of course, we got both types of Sun Drop here. We got regular for her, cherry for me, and use either one. They're both great. Of course, the cherry's going to have a little bit more cherry flavor in there, but if you don't want that, stick with the original. It's fantastic, especially with the orange in there. It's really great, and then the grapefruit on top just makes it. So, I mean, you don't have to add that, but you're kind of missing out if you don't get that.
This is like a great cocktail to use the silver rum for, too, because the silver rum goes with everything.
Yes.
So mixing it with a little soda or pop, whatever. I'm from the north, so I call it pop. But you can mix it with anything, and it tastes great in any kind of cocktail like that.
And what's great about this one is I'm telling you how to use it just an ounce of our silver rum, so it kind of just disappears just a little bit. But if you up that just to an ounce and a half, that rum is really going to come through, and you're going to taste both the Sun Drop and everything in there and the rum. So you can hide it if you want to. You can also beef it up a little bit if you want to. So it's very adaptable to what you want.
Perfect. So if you want to check out this recipe, it's going to be down in the description below, as well as all the cocktails we have on our website or on our YouTube channel. But check us out because we got lots of stuff going on here. Got our renovations, we've got our cocktail dinners and cocktail classes, or just come in for a tour and tasting. We do tastings throughout the week and tours on Saturdays. So we will see you guys next week for another cocktail. So cheers.
Cheers.